As I said in the trim video, a lot more had to go off, so on this day I just got up and said let's just cut some more off. So this video is of me doing that. You will kind of see a little of how I do it, how I do my sections and stuff like that. In this video I did not flat iron my hair again. That was just too much the last time. It's been so long since I flat ironed my hair and I kept burning my scalp. It was just a mess. So this time I just washed it and blow dried it and went in like that. And a few weeks after this, I ended up Texlaxing my hair, so I have some pictures of that at the end. So ultimately I love the cut. My hair is a lot thicker all the way through now, and all of those straggly ends that were disguised as length are gone now, so I'm happy about that. Now granted, the cut could have been better if I would have went to somebody and let them do it for me, but I wanted to do it myself, and I know it's a lot of people out there who want to do stuff themselves, so that's why I'm posting it to, you know, show you what I did. And at the end of the day, it's just hair. I'm going to wear wigs most of the time anyway, but I did want to get rid of a lot of that dead weight, just hair that's there for no reason. So that's what I'm going to do. Whether it's super even or whatever, that really doesn't matter to me because I'm not really going to wear it out straight. So yeah, I've been thinking about doing some twists or some braids this summer. I still don't really know yet. So if you have any suggestions of something you want me to try, go ahead and leave that in the comment box below. And please excuse all of the crazy faces that I am making when I'm doing my hair. Yeah, the faces, I just can't control them. Part of the reason is I'm struggling to try to see what I'm doing and try to be coordinated enough to do my own hair. So yes, doing your own hair is a struggle sometimes. A lot of times it feels like you're cutting, but you're not really cutting. So trying to pull the hair around and actually see what you're doing is a task. But this is the basic cut. I cut a lot off and I like it so far, so I'm happy with it. Now I'm just going to braid it back up for my wig wearing. And if you haven't seen how I do my hair up under my wigs now, make sure you check that video out. I fell in love with this method because the braids was just too much for my hair. I feel like I had more shedding and more breakage braiding and rebraiding it. So I started doing it like this. Now I have my wig cap on, and yeah, this is after my Texlax. So I really hope you all enjoyed this video.